Hi, I'm Ant from Ant's World. Thanks for clicking my video. Hope you enjoy it. Last couple of weeks have been awful due to the weather, storms and rain and wind, everything. So I've been pretty stuck really. But today the weather is on my side, so I'm going to take this little Mavic Mini out for a spin. Hopefully get some good footage. Well, I have found something to take the Mavic Mini out to. Birnbeck Pier. It's not raining, so that's a bonus, and there's no wind. Brilliant. I'm just having a wander, seeing where I can find the best views, and look at this happy guy.